Hi there. Today we're taking a look at the Garmin Marine Network Cable nut replacement kit. What this is for, you can kind of see on the back here in the instructions, the network cable for Garmin Marine is kind of a little bit different than maybe your network cable for your home, where it doesn't come with a locking pin. I've actually got one right here actually, but you can see there's no locking pin or locking tab on it, if you will. Like it might be for the one that connects to like your router or your computer. Reason being, Garmin uses these threaded nuts to connect it to the back of displays or hubs, those types of devices. And you can see once you get it open here, what's in the bag, the two nuts and the O-rings. But these are kind of connected here. You can just take them apart and you can see it's got threads on both sides, and one side's a little bit larger diameter than the other end. That's what you want to put together. That's the smaller end is what you want to hook onto your cable. This will be the end that you will thread into your device. And these literally just snap together once you get them on there. You can hear them snap, and now you're all good. There's your replacement nut set. Hope this helps your buying decision. Thanks for watching.